In this video, we'll review the best electric brush cutters available, highlighting their features, performance, and value. Whether you're tackling thick weeds or overgrown grass, find the right tool for your yard maintenance needs. Let's take a look at a solid pick for yard work versatility. The Wild Badger Power 52 cubic centimeter Weed Whacker. This 3-in-1 tool comes with an 18-inch string trimmer, gesture edger, and a 10-inch brush cutter, powered by a full crank 2-cycle engine. That full crank design gives it better fuel efficiency and a longer lifespan than half-crank models. It's gas-powered, starts up in just a few pulls, and includes comfort-focused features like a rubber handle and a shoulder strap. One standout is its ability to switch out attachment. Just lock them in and go, no tools needed. Whether you're edging the lawn or clearing heavier brush, this one's got you covered. You can usually find it online for around $180. Shifting gears to electric brush cutters, we put the Bosch AFS 23-37 through its paces. We used it on everything from tall weeds to thick bramble patches, and it didn't flinch. The 950-watt motor powers through heavy vegetation like a champ, delivering smooth, consistent performance. What really stands out is how easy it is to swap between the heavy-duty metal blade and the nylon line spool depending on the job. The cutter feels well-balanced, especially with the adjustable strap and handle setup, which makes longer sessions a lot more manageable. At just over 5 kilograms, it's light enough for extended use without beating you up. It may be corded, but with that kind of cutting power, it's a solid trade-off. If you're looking for a dependable, no-nonsense brush cutter for home or garden use, this one's a real workhorse. Last we checked, it was priced under $200 if you can find it in stock. The Greenworks U2611 is one of the more robust cordless string trimmers Greenworks has released. It weighs in at about 4.5 kilograms and offers a 40-centimeter cutting width, making it ideal for medium to large yards. The model features an auto-feed line system that advances the trimmer line automatically each time the trigger is pulled and released. A nice touch for users who want fewer interruptions. While this model is currently unavailable and may not return to stock, it remains a favorite among users who praise its balance of power and usability. It's battery-powered, so there's no fuel mix or emissions to worry about, and it requires minimal maintenance. Greenworks hasn't confirmed if this exact model will return, but several similar replacements with upgraded features are available through the brand. If you can find this one secondhand or through a specialty retailer, expect to pay under $200 for a solid, no-fuss performer. If you're after a lightweight string trimmer with serious bite, the Black Plus Decker GL8033 hits the sweet spot. It's powered by an 800-watt motor that spins up to 7,000 RPM, plenty of speed to tear through thick grass and stubborn weeds. We're big fans of the 33-centimeter cutting width, which balances precision and coverage nicely. The automatic line feed works well most of the time, and the built-in edging wheel makes crisp borders easy without any extra tools. At just over 3 kilograms, it's comfortable enough for longer sessions, and the design feels solid without being bulky. You won't have to fiddle with gas or oil, just plug it in and go. It's not the flashiest tool out there, but it absolutely gets the job done. For under $250, it's a reliable workhorse for the average yard. If you can find one in stock, it's well worth picking up. The Bosch ART30 trimmer is a great choice if you're looking for a lightweight and efficient electric trimmer for smaller garden jobs. While it may not have the raw power of heavier models, its 550-watt motor is more than capable for routine lawn care. The 30-centimeter cutting width makes it perfect for tidying up around flower beds or trimming edges, while the 1.6mm double-wire cutting system ensures clean, precise cuts. The ergonomic design of the trimmer, with an adjustable handle, 80 to 115 centimeters, and a head that tilts and swivels 90 degrees, makes it easy to use for extended periods without straining your back. The automatic line feed feature is a nice touch, saving you the hassle of manually feeding the spool. Weighing in at just under 2.5 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to maneuver. For around $100, the ART30 is a solid, budget-friendly option for light to medium yard work.